I am Soumya Kumari. I would like to say that 5 news in front of you with headlines. So let's start news. First news, Sri Lanka minister tests COVID-19 positive after drinking holy man's miracle potion. A Sri Lanka minister who publicly drank a miracle potion offered by a self-styled holy man that was supposed to prevent COVID-19 case was taken to hospital with the coronavirus. The Women and Child Development Minister Piyal Nisastha with Silva was among several politicians who consumed the concerned. Family members of another politician were also infected despite taking the syrup. And my second news is CBI court rejects Indrani Mukherjee's plea to not wear jail uniform sari. A special CBI court on Tuesday refused to exempt Indrani Mukherjee, main accused in Sina Bora murder case, from wearing the green sari jail uniform. Indrani in her plea had said she should not be wearing it since she is an under trial prisoner, but jail authorities said under trial in murder case needed to wear the jail uniform. And my third news is minutes after Biden takes office, China sanctioned 28 Trump's era officials. China imposed sanctions on outgoing Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and 27 other top officials under Donald Trump, just minutes after Joe Biden was sworn in as the 46th president of the USA. And my fourth news is we will back in same form. Donald Trump in final address as US President. In his final speech as US President, Donald Trump told his supporters, "We will back in same form." He added, "We love the American people, and again it has been something very special." He further said, I want to thank all the great people of Washington, DC, all the people that we worked with to put this miracle together. And my fifth news is new policy does not expand our ability to share data with Facebook, WhatsApp. Facebook on messaging platform WhatsApp has said its updated terms and privacy policy does not expand our ability to share data with Facebook. Our aim is to provide transparency and new options available to engage with business so they can serve their customers and grow, it added. The Indian government had asked WhatsApp to withdraw the changes to its privacy policy. This is the end of my news. So thank you.